run. My metric number is CF180037. Today, I would like to present about our introduction for our topic, that is water treatment in confectionery industries. First of all, wastewater from the confectionery industry is characterized by daily and seasonal variability of composition and quantity, which adversely affects the process of their disposal. Besides, confectionery plants discharge about 300 to 500 meter per cube per month of technology wastewater. The sewage from the industry belongs to the biologically. This means by the high values of chemical oxygen demand, that is COD, and biologically oxygen demand, that is BOD. The technology of industrial wastewater treatment uses both mechanical and physical chemical method as well as biological ones. Then, techniques of sewage treatment usually consist of several stages which use different processes.
The increase in population indicates that more sewage sludge will be generated, increasing the financial burden of wastewater treatment companies. Issues: the disposal of sewage sludge must be mitigated to avoid causing serious problems in the country. In the year of 2020, it is predicted that 7 million metric of sewage sludge will be generated annually, the current 3 million metric tons. That Malaysia produces more than 4.5 million cubic meter domestic sludge annually. Since 2005, the volumes of sludge produced increases from year to year. Sewage sludge is one of the largest contributors of waste material in Malaysia.
Hi everybody, let's take a quick hour talking about the main points depend to the methodology and result on this research of water treatment in conventional industries. Conventional is one of the most important important industries around the world with water treatment methods, and the most important water contaminants, sewage treatment, state breakdown complex organic compounds into water into simpler compounds that are stable, are free from noises, both physical, chemical, or by using microorganism biological theory. Right, that was all about methodology. Now for result, due to the high population increase creates pressure will be planned and the available resources, so it can be trained and control plants built to the entrance with system or disappointed of.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Shaiful Abra bin Jamaluddin. My metric number is CF180118. So today I will talk about to you the discussion of our project. Our project title is the water treatment at confectionery industries. So for the discussion, our confectionery industries have been facing the problem about the sewage. This problem have been facing for many years. So they must be find a way or method to treat this problem before it more become critical and bad condition. So they must be find a way that efficient but economically. As the result, they have been find two ways. The first method is multi-phase method. The second one is integrated method. For the first method is named multi-phase method. Like its name, this method of treatment consists of several stages. Each stage have their own type of treatment. Disadvantage of this treatment is it will improve the quality of parameters. This treatment has several stage or several type of treatment it been using, such as sedimentation, chlorination, aeration, sand filtration, and active carbon. For the second method is integrated method. As an example of integrated method is membrane biological reactor. This membrane biological reactor is consists of classical technique and when combined with pressure membrane method, the membrane layer can be an absolute barrier to defend and suspended the matter and organism. The advantage of this method that it can improve the initial treatment process and it can improve the quality of water, and also it can decrease the turbidity value in the water.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Abu Hassan Syari. My matrix number is CF1800C8. I want to present the conclusion for our group. In the conclusion, the sewage and wastewater from the confectionery industry can be categorized. One of the wastewater outlet by daily and sometimes can be a seasonal, which influence the place special occasion. The composition of this sewage is in organic type. It has high amount of BOD and COD value. For the type of treatment, it has various types that can be implemented. We can use aerobic and biological process. Each one of them have their advantage and their disadvantage. That's all for me. Thank you.